Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. Who knows what these are? They're calipers. All right, friends, these are calipers. What are calipers for, you ask? Well, calipers are to get a better measurement. So this is a outside calipers. These are outside calipers. So what happens is you can measure between this point and that point. They're mainly for rounded objects that it's really hard to get a measurement on with a ruler. So if I have a rounded object, let's say I have this object here, and I need to know what's the size of that circle there. What is that? So I can take this caliper, I can loosen up this screw, and this opening will get wider. So then I can take it, put it on that spot that I need to measure. And I can get it tight to where I can kind of turn it just a little bit. Then I can take it and I can measure that either with some dial calipers or a ruler or whatever I have for my measurement. So these are outside calipers. Inside calipers are a little different. They have the points facing out a little bit. So you can measure something, the inside diameter of whatever you have. So let's say the same thing. I want to know what's the inside measurement from here to here. Well, I'm going to turn my calipers to where I can measure an inside to where they're touching. Then I can take it and measure from point to point, and that was my outside measurement. I couldn't do it with these. These are inside calipers. These are outside calipers. They're how you measure something that's rounded inside or outside. So these are calipers. Now you know, folks, and as G.I. Joe would say, knowing's half the battle.